In a beautiful forest, there lived four friends, a deer, a turtle, a crow, and a mouse. They were the best of friends and did everything together. The deer was swift and agile, the turtle wise and patient, the crow sharp and clever, and the mouse quick-witted and resourceful. One day, the friends noticed a hunter laying traps in the forest. Worried for their safety, they gathered to devise a plan to outsmart the cunning hunter. The deer, with its lightning speed, lured the hunter away, ensuring that he wouldn't harm his friends. The wise turtle came up with a clever idea to confuse the hunter. And foiled with the crow's sharp wit, they were able to dismantle the traps, making the forest safe once again. The quick-witted mouse scurried through the forest, alerting all the animals of the remaining traps, ensuring their safety. The forest animals rejoiced, grateful for the bravery and unity of the four friends. Their bond grew stronger, and they lived happily ever after, knowing that together they could overcome any obstacle. And so, the four friends taught us that with unity and clever thinking, any challenge can be conquered, and true friendship can withstand any test.